Heidi-ho, folks. How are we all doing today? Good, I hope. Oh, it's a bit drizzly today. It's still bloody hot, though. It's Mr. Wonderful here in person. How? Right, what are we going to do today? I thought for a change I'd make a ring. Have an old threepence. Threepence a bag. Was that Mary Poppins? I can't remember. I don't know. I didn't like that film anyway. What about England, eh? Bloody hell, man. If they played like that, who knows what would have happened. Right, today's hole punch is going to be the same as the last one, 7/16. It's going to be quite a narrow-banded ring and a small ring. It's an old threepenny bit, 1943. That was a good year. Good year for bananas. Right. Let's slip over to the lady in red. Right. Did you have a good weekend? I did. I popped down the bar yesterday and had a couple of beers with my mate. One of my friends is at a wedding, so he couldn't make it. I bloody hate weddings. I don't go to them unless I'm busy or, you know, a meal or I've been dead for 10 years. Got to get all tied up in here, you know. Not interested at all. Alright. We just want to clean up that edge. I punch through it. This is a deburring tool called Chris Deburr. So I've got the final tonight. I don't care who wins. No, I'm not interested. I'll watch it. I like Spain to win, but we shall see. They probably won't do. Right, now we want to show it a bit of love and affection with Bernie. That should do for that. I'll just quench it. And dry it off. Right. So we're going to want this side, sunny side up on the ring, aren't we? This is going to go face down in dimples. Just really get it nice and sort of level. Nice and sort of level. Makes sense, doesn't it? We'll nip over. It's a big red. A big bad red. Right, we now want one of these. 17 degree folding die. That one's too big, obviously. That one's too small, I'd say. Yeah, much too small. There you go. Let's give it a wipe out. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is the make of the dies I use. Legacy brand. They're bloody good. Really, really good. I've had no trouble with them at all. Right. Then again, we want to get it level. Ish. I had a bad shoulder last night. Or all day, really. I was on the bus going to see my friend and having a couple of beers, and I felt my bloody neck and shoulder were killing me. It weren't very enjoyable, you know, because the pain was quite bad. I came home, started watching the match, and it was 4-0 at half time, and I thought, I can't stay up any longer. I had to try and, I took a couple of pills. I thought, well, I ain't going to miss much. Got up this morning, looked at the paper, 6-4. I thought, Jesus, I did miss a lot. I'd like to have seen it, but there you go. Right, there you go. One took me bit. It's looking a bit sad at the moment, but it'll clean up. I just want to clean up this edge. I need a new bit of sandpaper. If anyone's looking for a custom ring, I'll happily make you one, or 2, or 3, or 4. The most I've made for somebody is, I think they're in my shop. I think it's about 10 or 11 rings and a heart pendant. She hasn't bought them yet, but she said she's having a bit of trouble at the moment. Her husband's, I don't know, but I think she's got a bit of a problem somewhere, but they're still in the shop for her. She'll get them in the end. Right, there you go. So, will this fit over on Spike? Only just. So what I want to do is unwarm it up, and then we go over to Spike, and we'll give it a go, Joe. Okie dokie. Right, it does fit just. The kitchen roll just protects the inside of the coin, so you don't lose the detail. Otherwise you've got steel on brass or steel on steel. A bit Steely Dan. There you go. I think I'll just show a bit more love to Bernie. Want to keep you here. You got any questions or something you want to know? Something you'd like me to do? Except to bugger off. Right. That's more than adequate. I'll just quench it. And I'll head back over to Spike again. I'm This is a very narrow banded ring. Then again, most rings are narrow banded, aren't they? What we got? It's still looking pretty good. I could probably give it some more. I've never gone all the way on a three bit. I don't know how far you can push them before they break, but I don't think I'll push my luck today. There's no bow in it, it's just cone shaped. Before you straighten the walls up, you always want to get the bow out of it. Right, let's dip down to the bottom. These are reduction dies. I was just looking for one where it just fits. Like that one's pretty sexy. Make sure it's square. And give it a bit of love. Ooh la la. A touch more. Not a lot though, just a tad. There you go, straight walls. Right, let's shine it up a bit, shall we? I don't think we need the Kate Bush. Oh beer, look at this, man, it's still there. I'm shocked as well. So beer, when are you going to get on YouTube? Are you ever going to get on YouTube? If there's anything I can help you with, just shout, man. And I'll be there with a chair. Right. Get a bit closer. The roads here are empty, everybody's on holiday. A lot of the tourists think there's been a major incident because the city's empty, there's no one. Everybody's in their summer cottages, you know, out in the sticks. It's mostly just tourists walking around. It's getting a bit warm. Right, what's the damage? What we got? Let's clean off the old mingers. I don't know what's wrong with my bloody left ear. Jesus wept. Right. We ain't looking too shabby. I'll do clear coat all my rings as well. There you go, folks. That could do it a bit more, I think, couldn't it? It's not very shiny. If you're going to do it right, or don't do it at all. Jesus, well, it's getting bloody warm now. It's hotter than a hot thing. Right. And how hot can a hot thing get? I don't know, but hotter than this, I dare say. Oh yeah, it's a bit better. That's a bit better. Yeah, that's better. Threepence. Threepence a bag. So what size we got? We've got a size. And you always measure from the reeded side. This is milled, but same thing. This is a size 9, nearly 9 1/4. I could take it to 10 maybe. I might take one, see how far I can take it. I mean, it's still quite thick, but quite pretty, eh? Thank you all for watching. Thanks for your comments. Hey, hit that little button bottom right hand corner for me. Subscribe. Cost you jack shit, and it does me a load of good. So yeah, I hope you have a great week, a safe week. Try and make someone smile in your life. And it fits this finger perfectly. And the rest of you can have this. Have it!